Here is a very important video on how you can make or buy BNB directly from your Trust Wallet app using your local bank account. The last video I made, I showed you guys on how you can use your Visa virtual dollar card to buy any cryptocurrency of your choice using your Trust Wallet. I also made the same video using your MetaMask. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you need to go and get that knowledge. Right here is a quick video on how you can buy BNB from your Trust Wallet. If you're a Nigerian, you're an African, this video will help you to buy any cryptocurrency at all using the Trust Wallet. Even if you're a non-Nigerian, this video is going to be of great value to you. So you have to watch this video, and meanwhile, do like and share this video if you find value in it at the end of it. This will help the video go around and will also help reach out to those that need the same knowledge just like you do. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to click on the buy section on Trust Wallet. Meanwhile, for those of you that are new, you need to know that Trust Wallet right here is a Web3 app or decentralized that can help you buy, purchase, and store your cryptocurrency. You can also purchase some NFTs right here using this Trust Wallet. Meanwhile, if you haven't updated Trust Wallet, you have to go and update Trust Wallet because there are a lot of integrations that have been added recently on Trust Wallet. So now you've known all of that, let's proceed. Lastly, I would like to tell you that this is not a financial advice. This is just an educational purpose video to help you understand how to perform a task. All right. So now, if you click on that, on the buy section on the Trust Wallet interface, it is now going to take you down to this place. As soon as it takes you down to this place, you can see the bank transfer options right here. Okay. You can now see the various methods you have. Meanwhile, make sure that it is toggled onto the buy section. It is not toggled onto the sell. We want to see it toggled onto the buy section. All right. Make sure it is toggled onto the buy section because we want to buy crypto, BNB or crypto from Trust Wallet. So you have to toggle it onto the Trust Wallet. And after toggling it onto the Trust Wallet section, you will now leave it at this pay with transfer. All right, because currently there are three main ways you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet, and those three ways have their own means you have to follow, their own procedures you need to follow to buy. So right here is the simplest way you can buy it. So now you can now see that you can actually buy crypto from your bank account right now. So when you click on this, you can see the three different options, but don't click on it. Just leave it the way it is. All right. You leave it in this bank transfer method. And then this one now will be changed. Since you want to buy BNB, we'll change this down one from Ethereum to BNB by default. All right. So we'll click on it. And then after clicking on it, it is now going to bring out the various options right here. You can see the various options. You can now decide to either select more crypto. If you don't see the crypto that you want to buy right here, you can click on this more crypto to select any network of your choice that I want to buy with. So right here in this video, I want to purchase just BNB. I'll click on this BNB section. And then when once you click on it, it is now going to be highlighted. You can now see that BNB has been highlighted right here. So I'll now go ahead and click on continue. Then you give it some time to load. And after it has loaded, it will now redirect you to this particular place where you can now see create an order. But before it redirects you to this create an order, it is if you haven't made any purchase on Trust Wallet before, you have to fill in their details. You have to register with your email, and then a code will be sent to your mail. Go ahead and copy that code, come back to this place and paste it somewhere around here. All right, so a little form is going to pop out for you to fill in, and as soon as you have done filling in that little form, you can now be able to have full access to be buying. Right here, I had already bought severally on Trust Wallet, so I don't need to fill in any other method again. That is why it is redirecting me to this create an order. Okay, so after you have filled the form, if you haven't bought any coin before, you want to buy, you have to fill in that form. After you have filled the form, by using your email, I prefer you use an email, your Gmail, while registering. And after you have used your Gmail to register, then anytime you want to buy now, it is now going to take you to this, bring out this particular section for you to create an order. Your job now is to always create an order anytime you want to buy. I hope this is clear enough. So you click on that create an order, then it's gonna take you to this section where you can now sign in with the same email that you used in registering before. All right. So you go ahead and click on that sign in with email, then it's going to bring you right here. They say review your order details below and confirm to proceed. So right here, I want to buy 4,860 amounts based on the particular amount that I imputed before. All right, and the equivalent of that amount in NGN, my local currency, is 0.045 BNB. All right, and this is the wallet address that the coin will be sent to when I buy it. All right, so now you have to go ahead and click on this confirm button. Well, once you click on that confirm button, the button below is going to be highlighted. It's going to be highlighted, and then it'll take you to this particular section where you can now create the order. Right here, you can now insert your phone number, and then you select the bank that you want to be using, and then you insert your bank account number that is tied to that bank that you selected right here. Okay, and after you've done that, you are now going to create an order. Well, once you create this order, right now, this information is going to be provided for you. So your work now is to copy this bank account details, then copy this bank name, head over to your bank app, any banking app of your choice, either OPay. Since you selected OPay, you are now going to use OPay to make the transaction. All right. Any bank you selected, that is the same bank you're going to be using to make the transaction. Right here, I selected OPay, and now so I'm going to be using that OPay to make a transaction to this account number. So you copy this account, go to your OPay app, and go and make the transfer. Now to confirm, you have to confirm this name. This is the name that will pop out when you want to make a transfer. And before you make a transfer, ensure that you insert this narration in the transfer, in the banking app that you're using to transfer. You ensure you make that, insert that narration, and then once you have done all of that, this button is going to be highlighted. Go ahead and make a transfer to this account. Ensure that you are making the particular deposit that you selected. Ensure that the amount that you are going to be sending is this particular amount. All right, you have to type it the same way it is right here. All right, so that you don't have issues transferring. And while you are doing this, ensure that while you are transferring, this timer doesn't elapse, because once this timer elapses, the whole system is going to reset. So you have to be as fast as possible. Okay. Now you have known that. So you go ahead and make the transfer, and then once you make the transfer, you come back, minimize, and come back to this app and click on I have transferred the fund. And as soon as you hit this I have transferred the fund, within few seconds, the crypto is now going to be transferred to your Trust Wallet account. So you will now see the coins in your Trust Wallet account. So guys, this is basically how you make your transfer in Trust Wallet. If this video was very helpful, do like and subscribe to the channel, and you can leave a comment right below. See you in the next video, and bye for now.